Yeah, what's up, guys? It's Good Noel again, and this is a quick one here. So today we want to look at how you can create an audience on Facebook if you are advertising on Facebook using the Audience Insight. The Audience Insight tool is a tool by Facebook that helps you track or get data, create data about potential targets, potential clients, people who might be interested in what you are doing or what you are trying to sell. So it's important that before you run your advert, you should run an audience insight on your potential target. So you'll be working with a specific knowledge of what you're doing or the people you are targeting. So you don't just do a blind targeting or a hopeful targeting. First, this is the Audience Insights dashboard. This is how it appears. And if you don't know how to get here, all you have to do is go to your Facebook Business Manager. And this is a Facebook Business Manager. You scroll down here, and there you have it, the Audience Insight. So when you click on it, you're going to come to this very dashboard. So let's get practical here. Now, let's say we want to target people who are interested in what we are selling. First, we have to set a location, and we are going to keep this at Nigeria because we are in Nigeria. So you can fit in any state or country you want. So you can use a country, states, whatever you want. So now this is Nigeria, and this is the data for Nigeria. It shows that we have 20 to 25 million people who are in Nigeria. Why is it showing Lagos? Let me refresh that. Okay, yeah, the Lagos is gone. So now we have 20 to 25 million persons, and from the data you can see here, these are the people who are on Facebook. Strangely, we have more men on Facebook than women. I didn't think that was possible anyway, but there you have it. That's one of the advantage of the Audience Insight tool, because there are a lot of things you think you know but you do not know. So I'm going to keep this at 65 plus because that's the age limit we have. So again, you see it changes from 25 million to 30 million. That's to say we've had an increase in the last few months or years, whatever. So now let's get into the main thing. So we've now added the location, and then we're going to come down here and we look for interest. Let's say you say clothing or even shoes, but let's work with clothing. So you type on clothing. You get a lot of options here, but you type on clothing. These are the data of people who are interested in clothing in the whole of the country. So we have 6 to 7 million people, and you can see we have 57% women and 43% men. I didn't think that would be strange. That's not strange. So now these are the age ranges: 18 to 24 and 25 to 34. They have the highest percentage. So now if you want to create an audience with this, and from the data provided you have what you're working with. Let's say from here you've decided to work with them, say 20 to 25. Let's say you sell women clothing, so we're going to keep it at just women. So from the gender here, we keep it at women. So we have just the information for the women alone. And from here, we still want to narrow it from the age. We're going to narrow it from say 24%, 24 years to maybe 40 years or even 44. So why we are narrowing is because there might be persons who you do not want to get your ads, because they might not be, even though they like your product, they may not be able to buy them. So you are trying to narrow people who would fit in. So we're going to edit this age, and we go, let's use okay, let's say 24 to So you can see it's here, it shows you that 24 is just 7%. So we are going to edit that too, from 24 to 45. So you see, this is the data we have. This is the data we have. So now you've created an audience of people you want to target, but now how do you save them? After editing them to what you want, after editing them, these are the other informations you get from these people. So after editing them, all you have to do is at the top here where you have save, you click on save, and then you're going to name your audience whatever you want to name them. This was an audience I created earlier before making this video, so we're going to name this clothing Nigeria, or whatever you want to name it, clothing Nigeria, and then you hit save. And that's it, your audience has been saved. So you can access this from your audience, where you have your audiences saved. Now let's look at that. So from here, these are your audiences. You click on that, and then it will load your ads manager for you, and the ads manager audience dashboard will come up. So there you have it. This is clothing Nigeria. So that's how you create an audience of people who you want to target using your audience insight, directly from your audience insight. So as you can see from there, it's saying living in Nigeria, interest clothing, age 24 to 45, and the gender is female. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. I hope you find it interesting. Thank you for watching. My name is Goodnoah. Bye bye.